Okay, started on a new field, but the grass is very high, so it's difficult. So I've come on to some other land, so still using the CTX. And let's go in here, I think. I know where it is yet. Let's have a look. Hope it's something. Yeah, okay. Looks like a plane going over. Looks like a threepence or something. Tuppence from the Victorian eras. I think that's Victoria, but I'm not sure. Anyhow, I'm chuffed with that. Wasn't expecting to find nothing. Okay, I'll clean it up and show you later. Okay, neat hole. In this field, some kind of bomb went off. I don't know what was going on with the bomb. It's World War II. I just found this piece of aluminium, and it's got letter L on it. Must be for a purpose. It's nowhere near the V2 field. Anyhow, could be off an aircraft, I'm not sure. Okay, quick roundup of my finds. Firstly, the nothing specials, which is like copper pipe, brass handle, button, shrapnel, pipe, rubbish, lead. That's all lead, that is. Okay, all this stuff. And I have found other stuff before in that field, and I didn't throw it away basically. But I think it's from a bomb. I'm going to give it to my friend and see what he reckons. But see, that's got a hole in it. It was like nowhere near the V2 field. Yeah, thing. And that's just bits of it. This thing, which is, I don't know where it's from. It's got an L on it. See that L? Letter L. Aluminium, not rusted. Once again, it's like, can't bend that. It could be from V2, but it will be about 1,200 yards away. That's that bomb thing. That's that bomb thing. And finally, this coin, which is, I'll show you the other side. That side's not special, that's just a bun. It's called a bun Victorian. And there's the other side, and you can see hopefully that it's 1838 fourpence, which was called a groat in the olden days, much bigger. Well, like 500 years ago, much bigger. Now let's see how tiny it is, because it's like silver content. Silver's gone up in value probably since 1500 or whatever, I don't know. Something like that. Anyhow, you see the 4 and the pence, and you've got this date, which is 1838, which is just at the start of Victoria's reign. There we go. Very hot. Might try some ditches, but the land is very hard to dig in now. Okay, good luck. Hope you find some